Right, so how do I get data into Causal Map for coding? Supposing I've got some interviews or reports that I want to analyze, how do I do that? Well, the simplest way is to just press this plus button. I'm going to create a new project, and the project is where all of my data, my sources are saved, and all of my coding is also saved. So I'm going to call it My Big Project. And I'm going to click here I've already got some interviews on my file system that I want to analyze. I'm just going to try the first two. You can't see this because it's a pop-up on the operating system, but now I've selected these two interviews, and I'm going to press continue, and that's going to create the project called My Big Project. Here in this screen, you can also describe the project, make a note for future reference, what you're doing all of this for. And in the background, it's created the project, imported the interviews, and then the interviews will get listed here in the sources table. That's the sources table. It's listed the interviews, and over here, it shows me that it's actually added both of those two interviews to the sources selector. And here is the actual text of the interview, which I can start to causally code either manually or using AI.